Local nonprofits who serve migrants say they are bracing for impact. Title 42, a Trump administration policy, is set to expire next week.
The health policy was enacted during the height of the pandemic, and it closed the southern border for asylum seekers. But with the expiration date coming soon, organizations in our area say they're expecting thousands of migrants to make their way to the Queen City. WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker found out what one nonprofit is planning for and what lawmakers have to say.
Across the southern border in Juarez, Mexico, time ticks away as thousands of migrants set up in tents and makeshift hostels.
They were just kind of awaiting for their turn.
This video is just a portion of what Carolina Benitez saw on her trip there in January.
We visited a shelter there. We connected personally with a lot of individuals and families.
Droves of people waiting for their appointment to legally come into the United States, but are not allowed to.
Some of the numbers that we've heard is of over 40,000 people currently awaiting to be processed.
Title 42, a federal health policy enacted by the Trump administration, still in effect. The policy closing the southern border, rejecting asylum seekers over fears of bringing in and spreading the COVID-19 virus.
It effectively kind of halted any kind of processing.
But that policy is set to expire on May 11th. More than 1,000 miles away, here in the Queen City, organizations like the Camino Health Center bracing for a massive influx of migrants.
Hundreds of people coming into our cities in seek of relief and seek of opportunities. There's already organizations that we are partnering with that are close to the border who are directly sending people to us.
Some lawmakers, like South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham, sharing growing fears about the looming expiration date.
Come next week, all is going to break loose along the border and eventually will flow into the interior of the United States.
In response, across the state line, North Carolina Senator Thom Tillis sponsoring a bill which would extend Title 42 for an additional 2 years. But Benitez says the influx of southern migrants into Charlotte isn't new.
We at Camino, we've been working with families and individuals for, again, about 25 years. And they're coming here because they've heard that we have some kind of system to support them.
The center has hired more people in preparation for the spike.
We want to be proactive and plan ahead before this influx that we're expecting to see in the next probably few days.
As the clock winds down on Title 42, the wait time is also coming to an end for those seeking asylum, while some still push for more time on the clock. In Charlotte,
I mean, we're as prepared as we can be.
Austin Walker, WCNC Charlotte.